The Trillion Peso March movement held its second gathering with a call to end political dynasties. Groups marched from EDSA Shrine to People Power Monument in Quezon City on Sunday, November 30. Protesters renewed calls to hold officials accountable for alleged anomalous flood control projects and to stop political dynasties.
Sa lalong madaling panahon, inaasahan natin na dapat panindigan din ng gobyerno na kanilang certify as urgent ang ating anti-political dynasty bill. Alam naman natin itong korupsyon, mahigpit ang pagkatali sa usapin ng mga dynasty sa Pilipinas.
Catholic priest Father Flavie Villanueva said their call grew louder as almost all dioceses in the country were with him.
Patuloy paintigin ang paghanap ng katotohanan, ikulong ang lahat ng korap, ibalik ang salapi, patuloy ipasa at ipatupad ang anti-dynasty law. At pinakamahalaga para sa akin, ibalik natin yung dangal bilang Pilipino.
The groups also want the government to strengthen the independent commission probing flood control and infrastructure projects. Mamamayang Liberal Representative Laila de Lima, one of the Independent Commission Against Infrastructure Corruption Bill authors, says,
walang dahilan para patagalin pa ang mga batas na yan. Pera na lang kung kayo mismo ang mga ayaw ay may ayaw at natatakot na may sa batas ang mga yan. Malinaw, hindi lalabas ang buong katotohanan kung patago ang mga galawan, kung tingi-tingi ang diskarte